Good, beautiful morning, baby. Oh yeah, Tanya, wonderful to see you, sister. Deborah, appreciate you. Oh yes, indeed, baby. We're feeling way too damn good this morning. Do you know why? Because the best part of waking up is family, community in the cup, rocking it with the Reaper, baby. Oh yes, indeed. So cheers, because sons of anarchy, sons of liberty, true North original family community, baby. Oh yes, indeed. We are having a wonderful, beautiful, charming morning. And it doesn't matter where you're ever at in this world. Cheers to our family community out there. Bam. Maria, loving your pictures from your camping trip. Ellie, Manchester, England. Oh yes, indeed, baby. Ooh, you can't stop me from dancing because guess what? Footloose, fancy free. Fuck Gaylord, Michigan. Fuck Gaylord, Michigan and the backwatered hillbilly justice system. Bang, bang. So, we're gonna say, fuck the world. We're gonna say, fuck all Gaylord, Michigan. We're live, baby. We're live from Islamabad, baby. And we're gonna do this in parts as we only know how to do. Because, yes, indeed, I feel like dancing. So Michelle Edmonds, miss you, sweet sisters, all of you. You know what? Tanya, Deborah, thank you. Love you. Oh, yes, indeed, baby. Feeling way too good this morning, baby. Because you know where we're at, right? We're live, baby. From Islamabad, baby. Deborah, Thunder Bay, baby. Oh, yes. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4. You never know, because I love to shake it, I love to bake it, and I love to smoke it. So light that son bitch up on me, because I love you all, and good morning.